Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips 2525x10 OneBlade hybrid trimmer and shaver. As you can see, this is a transparent box. The trimmer is quite visible. There's also a thinner box right underneath. Let's open it up. Pull the tray out gently and you can see the trimmer is quite snugly fitted here. We have to remove this plastic cover though. This is what the Philips QP2525x10 OneBlade hybrid trimmer and shaver looks like. The Philips logo is quite visible on both sides, as are the power buttons. Furthermore, the dual-edge blade boasts of one-edge technology that keeps the blade sharp for 4 months. Let's take a look at what's inside the other box. Yes, this is the power adapter for the trimmer. Next, we have a lot of documents including the very important user manual. There are 2 extra combs for the trimmer. These are the medium and the large variants. Finally, this is the cover for the blade. This is a very nice touch, as it will help keep the blade clean and safe. That's all you will find in this box. Thank you for watching.